Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Soquel local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the right experienced long-distance moving services to help make your move so much simpler. No matter how far you want to relocate, our experienced team of movers can make it so much simpler. Our moving solutions provide you all of the best options to personalize your move for your specific requirements. If you're looking for a general move or a full-service move, our company provide all the options you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not be easy to rationalize the price of hiring a California moving company. A local moving company delivers many benefits, which can make it well worth the cost. You will certainly save time with your local move if you work with a moving company. It will also prevent you from needing to take care of heavy lifting. When you work with our movers, you get professionals ready to make your local move very easy. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you get a more efficient process for moving day. Even if your move is big enough that it may take you all week, we can get it done in less than a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Soquel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.